Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show open interest on TradingView. If you're someone who likes making data-driven decisions, whether that's in trading, investing, or even just understanding market sentiment, this is a simple but powerful tool to add to your chart setup. Before we start, here's a quick overview. Open interest measures the total number of active contracts in a futures or derivatives market. In simple terms, it tells you how many positions are currently open and not yet closed. It's useful for understanding participation and conviction behind price moves. Rising open interest alongside price can suggest strengthening trends, meaning new money is entering the market and backing that move, while falling open interest might signal fading momentum, where traders are closing positions and interest is declining. With that context, let's get it displayed cleanly on your chart so you can start using it as part of your analysis process. First, open any chart on TradingView. This can be a crypto pair, an index future, or any market you're analyzing. At the top left of the chart window, click on the Indicators button. In the search bar that appears, type Open Interest. You'll see options related to open interest appear in the list, sometimes with slightly different versions depending on your account type or data feed. Select the one that matches your needs. If you're just starting out, the default open interest indicator is perfectly fine. After you add it, you'll notice an extra pane appear below your price chart, or sometimes an overlay, depending on the version you choose. That pane is where the open interest data will populate. Think of it as a supporting layer of information that works alongside price action. If you don't immediately see data, that's expected, because open interest is only available on symbols and exchanges that actually provide it. So don't worry if it looks blank at first. We'll fix that in the next step. That brings us to the key step. Change the symbol on your chart to one that supports open interest. Open interest is commonly available for futures contracts and many crypto perpetual futures, but not for most spot markets or all equities. For example, a Bitcoin perpetual futures contract is more likely to show open interest than a regular spot BTC/USD chart. Use the symbol search at the top of the chart to switch to a supported futures contract or a derivatives pair from an exchange that supplies open interest data. This small adjustment makes all the difference. Once you pick a compatible symbol, the open interest line or histogram should populate automatically in the indicator pane. You'll start to see fluctuations that correspond with market activity. If the pane still shows no data, it usually means one of two things. Either the symbol you selected doesn't publish open interest to TradingView, or the dataset is not available on the time frame or exchange you're viewing. Sometimes simply switching exchanges for the same contract solves the issue. In that case, try a different futures contract or a well-covered derivative symbol. Contracts with higher trading volume are more likely to have consistent open interest data. Also, remember that open interest updates come from the exchange, so the frequency of updates can differ from regular price data. This means you may notice slight delays or step-like movements compared to smooth price candles, and that's completely normal. A couple of simple tips can make the display easier to read. If your open interest is plotted in a separate scale, glance at the right-hand axis to interpret the values so you understand whether participation is increasing or decreasing over time. If the line looks flat, switch to a higher time frame or a symbol with more active participation. Lower time frames can sometimes make changes look insignificant. And if you prefer a cleaner look, you can adjust the style or color through the indicator settings without changing how it works. Customizing it to match your chart theme makes it easier to review quickly, especially if you're checking multiple markets. That's all there is to it. Add the open interest indicator, switch your chart to a supported symbol, and you're ready to analyze participation alongside price. When you combine price action with open interest, you're no longer just watching movement. You're starting to understand the strength behind that movement, which can help you make more informed decisions.